السلام عليكم أحبائي أعزائي، كما وعدتكم على طول أنا القادم أحلى بإذن الله. اليوم حنشرح درس 1-3 في جريد 6. فهذا الدرس طبعا title of the lesson use variables to write expressions. فإحنا في سلسلة جريد 6 وصلنا lesson 1-3. هذا lesson يعتبر lesson مهم جدا في جريد 5 وجريد 6. لكن حنبدأ احنا في الليسن. What is the objective of the lesson? By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to use variables to write expressions. As you can see here, the lesson use variables to write expressions, algebraic expressions I mean. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a mathematical sentence that has some variables and some numbers and operations, of course. Now let's start. Here, I will start directly by the questions because I will try to explain the lesson through these questions. Number 1. Identify the variable and the operation in the algebraic expression. This algebraic expression 6 over x. So what's the variable? The variable is the letter. Where is the letter? The letter is x. So we can't say that x is the variable. And what's the operation? 6 over x. It's multiplication or division or addition or subtraction. Of course, it is division. So the operation is division. And the variable is x. Now, explain why 15 plus 1 over 2n is an algebraic expression. There are two conditions. هناك شرطين عشان يكون algebraic expression. To has an operation and to has variables. What's the variable here? Do we have any letter? The variable is a letter that represent a value. So here n is a variable. So we have variable. Do we have any operations? Of course we have operations. We have plus and we have multiplication because here half n means half multiply n. Here, let's continue. Now, I will explain why the answer is there. Now here, the expression has a variable n and the operations are multiplication and addition as we mentioned. Now, write an algebraic expression for each situation. He will give me a situation, then I will use a variable, any variable from my mind, and sometime he will give me the variable and I have to guess or to know what is the operation. Here, for example, when he say 5 less than y, less than means I have to use subtraction. So 5 less than y, when it's less than, we have to flip them. So it becomes not 5 minus y, it becomes y minus 5. And in subtraction, it matters if it is which one is first. But in addition, it doesn't matter. If we say y plus 5 is the same 5 plus y. But in subtraction, it matters. So the answer y minus 5. Now, 4 more than. More than means what? Plus. 4 more than twice x. Now, let's go to question number 4. 4 more than twice x. So in this case, we have two operations. 4 more than. More than means what? Plus. Twice x. 4 more than twice x. So 4 plus twice x. Twice means 2 multiply. Yes? Twice x means 2x. So we can say 4 plus 2x. And as I said, in the addition, we can flip them. It's okay for us. So we can say 2x plus 4. It's the same. Number 5, 6 times the quantity. Oh, quantity means, I think of brackets. 2x plus 3y. So 6 times, this means 6 multiply. Multiply what? Multiply the whole quantity, which is what? 2x plus 3y. So I make 2x plus 3y and multiply them all by 6. How I multiply them all by 6? I need to put parentheses. So it will be 2x plus 3y multiplied all as a quantity by 6. Now let's go to more deep questions. Now here we start. Let's choose some questions and do them here. 12 times a number g. No, this kind of easy questions. He give me times. Times means what? Multiply. So 12 times g. 12 multiply g. We can say, we can just write 12g. We can write 12g. We can write 12 multiply g. We can write 12 dot g. All of them means multiply. P, pennies added to 22 pennies. So added. So it's addition. One operation, yes. So we have P plus 22. Or we can say 22 plus P is the same. 22, question number 10, 22 divided by a number S. 22 divided. This means division. I need to divide. Which one divided by which one? 22 divided by a number S. So 22 divided by S. Can we write 22 over S? We can write 22 divided by S. Here, let me take another strong examples, like number 9. 5 less than what? 5 less than what? In less than, I have to remember, I have to flip. 5 less than what? 3 times a number z, a number z. So, when I have less than, I have two parts. The first part is 5. And the second part is 3 times a number z. So this one part and this one part. So which one is first? 5 less than 3 times a number z. So as I said, in this case, we need to flip. So we need to write the first part, which is 3z minus 5. That's it. Thank you very much. But before I leave, I stop the video. Let me take a look at question number 11. 12, 3 over 4 less than. Oh, this is the first part or one part. Less than what? The product of 7 and a number x. So it's the same idea of this. The same idea of this. It will be 7x minus 12, 3 over 4. Let me show you the answers and erase these answers, these scratches I made. Here we have, let me help you in some questions from the homework. Let me do some questions from the homework, just 3 questions from the homework, then you can complete the homework by yourself. Let me choose 2 easy questions and 1 difficult question. Look at example number 7. In number 7, what we have, 6 less than, oh, we did many examples on less than, so let's change it. Number 6. 4 times what? times, no, not a number, the sum. Sum means plus. So 4 will be multiplied by the sum, by all the quantity of x and half. So I need to put brackets in this case. I need to write 4 multiply. It's enough to put brackets, yes? Sum. Sum means what? Plus. Sum of x plus half. Do I need to write multiply between the brackets or parentheses and 4? Yes, if you write, it's okay. If you put dot, it's okay. If you just write 4 parentheses x plus half, it's okay. Now number 10, 5 times the quantity m divided by 2. Look, quantity. So this one part and this another part. 5 multiply. 5 multiply what? Quantity m divided by 2. So because here is division, no need to put brackets. 5 multiplied by what? Quantity m divided by 2. So we can put multiply, we can put brackets, we can put m over 2 or m divided by 2. I think here, if you put brackets or no, is the same. Here we did 2 questions, question number 6 and question number 10. And you need to complete the questions by yourself. For more videos, you can subscribe my channel on the YouTube. تعلم الإنجليزي والرياضيات مع مستر معاذ JB. وإذا حبيتوا الفيديو اضغطوا لايك ولا تنسوا تشغيل جرس التنبيهات. Thank you very much. والقادم أحلى بإذن الله. يعطيكم العافية.